I'll explain you in detail antibody structure or immunoglobulin structure. Antibody structure is just looks like English alphabet letter Y. Okay, it is made up of 4 structural units. From them 2 are heavy chains and 2 are light chains. These both are heavy chains and these both are light chains. Heavy chain is made up of 440 amino acids and light chains are made up of 220 amino acids. These heavy chain, one heavy and one light chain, forms HL dimer. Di means 2 and mer means small units. So this HL dimer forms one side, one half, and the other one H and one L forms the both halves make one unit of antibody, and it is bonded with disulfide bonds. Okay, so in this HL dimers there are 2 main portions. First portion is variable portion and second is constant portion, which is also known as variable portion is also known as FAB and constant portion is also known as FC. F is for fragment constant and FAB is for fragment antigen binding. Variable means which can change their shapes, and constant means which is constant and cannot change their shapes. So in this you can see this C and V. This part is constant. CH1 means constant for heavy chain, constant heavy chain second part, constant heavy chain third. These are small portions. Okay, and variable heavy chain. Okay, and there are 2 sides. First is NH2 side amide group and carboxyl side carboxyl group. So the constant side is attached with the carboxyl group and the variable side is attached with the amide group. In the variable portion there is paratop. We already talked about this. Paratop is antigen binding site. So the antigen, it can change its shape according to the specific antigen. Okay. Okay. These are the 2 portions, constant and variable. HL dimers, 2 halves makes single unit of antibodies. There are 5 types of antibodies. Okay. H is for heavy chain and L is for light chain. Light or small, H is for heavy and big. There are 5 types of antibodies: IgG, IgA, IgM, IgE and IgD. GAME-D, ya GUM-D, whatever you can say. So it denotes with Ig immunoglobulin, G immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin E and immunoglobulin D, which is also represented by these symbols: G for gamma, A alpha, M mu, E epsilon and D delta. So these are the 5 types of antibody which are present in our body and which provides us immune system. So IgG is present in the maximum concentration in serum. बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट रहती है and it is a natural passive immunity. Natural passive means which is ready-made antibody giving it can cross placenta. That means it is a ready-made antibody which is provided by mother to the fetus. Okay, and it is made up of 20 to 25 disulfide bonds. Second is IgA. IgA is the major immunoglobulin and found in the colostrum. Colostrum is mother's first milk. That means when baby starts feeding, so the first milk of the mother, that is known as colostrum, contains IgA antibody, which is the second most abundant antibody, 15% in human serum. And what is human serum? Human serum means which is the plasma part which has no anticoagulants, and it protects the baby's respiratory organ or the normal respiratory organs in alimentary canal, so that we can't ingest pathogens. It protects us from that things. Okay, it protects the body surface. Next is IgM. It is the largest antibody and it is the main antibody primary response. Whatever we suffer from, first this IgM will come. It is in milk, in colostrum, largest. You can pause the video and note down whatever I am saying. Largest antibody, and it always used in primary response. First, this antibody will fight with the foreign antigen, and it is formed by B lymphocytes, and it is present at 10% in IgS, that means in human serum. Next is IgE. It is primarily act on basophil, that means in WBC type cells and mast cells. Whenever we are suffering from allergies or allergic reactions or any insect bite or any sunlight energy or whatever, any type of energy, this IgE help us to protect. Next is IgD. It is the antibody present in the surface of B lymphocyte cells, that means in the surface of WBC cells, and it activates the B lymphocytes so that it can form antibodies to this special type of antigen and then kill the antigen. Okay, these are the, according to the structure, these are three types of antibodies: monomeric, dimeric, pentameric. The IgG, IgE and IgD, these three are monomeric. Monomeric means single Y, and dimeric IgA, it is of two Y's together, and this is like pentameric. Pentameric means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5Y structure together known as pentameric. Don't forget these are there's also a good question in this for this which one is pentameric or which one is dimeric. Okay, thank you.